Celebrating beginnings, understanding ring in the new year. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that you might hear quite a lot, especially as we approach the end of the year. Ring in the new year. It's a phrase full of joy, celebration, and anticipation. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding these expressions can make learning the language more fun and relevant. So, let's get started. Ring in the new year refers to the celebration or the act of welcoming the upcoming year. It's derived from the tradition of ringing bells at midnight on New Year's Eve to signify the start of a new year. This expression encapsulates the spirit of hope, renewal, and excitement that comes with the end of the year and the beginning of another. It's a time when people celebrate with friends and family, make resolutions for the year ahead, and say goodbye to the past year. This phrase is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. You might see it in invitations to New Year's Eve parties, greeting cards, or hear it in conversations among friends. Examples: we're throwing a big party to ring in the new year. Would you like to join us? My family has a tradition of watching the fireworks to ring in the new year together. It can also be used metaphorically to talk about starting something new or making significant changes in one's life. Ring in the new year is not just about the literal act of ringing bells. Across the world, different cultures have their unique traditions and customs to welcome the new year. For example, in some places, people might light fireworks, hold special meals, make resolutions, or attend religious services. Understanding this phrase also opens a window to exploring these diverse cultural practices and how they reflect the universal hope for a positive and prosperous future. Ring in the new year is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of human optimism and the desire for new beginnings. As we've explored its meaning, usage, and cultural significance, we hope this video enriches your understanding of English expressions and their deeper connections to life's celebrations. Thank you for joining us today, and we wish you a fantastic time as you ring in the new year. May it bring you happiness, health, and success. See you in our next video.